Okay, hi everyone. This is the first video of the 12th week, so the introductory video. So 12th week was actually last week. So homework 3 was due last week. Thank you for submitted. I believe that 31 people or 32 people actually submitted, and so far I have only managed to grade the first exercise, and you did similarly as in the previous year. You can expect that the average score will be comparable to the average score of the second homework. Okay, and of course, as always, you can expect a separate video discussing the intended solutions of the exercises in homework 3. Next, regarding course projects, the proposals were due this week, so again, thank you for submitting, and don't forget that the milestones are now due in 2 weeks. I will try to look at your proposals as soon as possible and give you some feedback. Regarding the feedback, according to our course schedule, you were supposed to give a project proposal presentation in labs. This was not something that was supposed to be graded. However, you could get some feedback from me, from your classmates, maybe some comments, criticism, and so on. Since this was obviously not possible, because we are not in class, I still encourage you to do the following. Maybe you can prepare a short 5 to 10 minute video explaining your course project proposal. You can prepare some slides or simply just explain what you have written in your submission. This will allow you that, and then prepare this video and just post it publicly on Piazza so that other people can see it. Why would that be beneficial? Then other people can see what you intend to work within your course project, and also to get some feedback from them and from myself. As you know, there is I give some extra credit for course participation and commitment, which is also like I don't know, commenting on other proposals on Piazza, preparing the video for your proposal, and so on, so that if you intend to do that, you will get some extra bonus. Okay, otherwise, what are the topics intended for this week? First, we will talk about network inference, so inferring the structure of a network from some subset of a network, for instance, or inferring what will happen with the network in the future. And in particular, we will look at probably the most popular application of network analysis technique, which is simply called link prediction, when you try to predict future links that are supposed to occur in a network. This will be, for instance, friends with recommendations on Facebook, or maybe finding out which are the which are like some interactions between, say, proteins in some protein-protein interaction networks that people should try out in the laboratory in order to find a better structure of that network. Or maybe in the case of affiliation network or bipartite graphs, for instance on Amazon, when you connect people with the products that they have bought, predicting future links in that kind of network will be basically a product recommendation. So it's a classical problem of recommendation systems. Afterwards, we will also more precisely look at approaches for mining network data. So, for instance, for mining nodes or links in a network, so how to use structural properties of network is some classical data mining or machine learning framework. And based on that, we will also do some exercises between the labs, when we will most likely test classical node embedding techniques that can then be used as feature, when the information that you get can be used as features in some node mining application. Okay, so the lectures and labs will be video recorded, and again, as always, if you want to talk about your course project in further detail, please apply for next video conference or send me a private message. Okay, so this is it for this introductory video. Thank you for listening, and see you in the next video.